by the way. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll mark the chart. Probably you'll start with the daily or weekly. It's up to you. I will take off all these, everything. So when you start to mark a chart, you will keep in your mind. If you want me to do something else, some other currency, I can do that too. Probably AUDJPY. Oh my goodness, AUDJPY kind of. I told you like it's a weekly.
AUDJPY is really interesting at the moment because it's just been on this steady climb, and there's no support levels there at the moment because everything's rising.
Yeah, yeah.
What I'm
That's
waiting for.
very true. Yeah. So let's
See,
go to the daily chart in ADJP, right? Oh my God. This is clearly, you can say it's a very heavily uptrending market. So we are not going to sell. We're not going to try to find any selling position because market is buying. Market is buying, even though it's a short-term sell, pushed off, broke the structure. Same, I'll quickly draw these small lines for you so that you understand what I'm trying to share. Yeah, I was thinking probably from here market will sell off little more, little longer, probably come here, probably come to 99 zone or 100 zone, but it just didn't bypass this 102 zone, 102. I'm just, zone means probably understand what I'm trying to share is, yes, came down and went up anyways. Now for today, market started to sell. Okay, so this sell could be, I'll go to 4-hour chart. Yeah, in 4-hour chart, you could see, yes, there is a kind of evening star. Yeah, it's good that market may sell. There's no doubt about it. But rather than looking for selling position, what I will do is, because even though it will sell, probably not will sell for long. We'll make like this, like come back to 30 pips down and back to the buying position. Same thing is happening here then. One time trap for sellers, one time trap for seller, another trap for sellers. So
yes.
yeah, another trap for sellers. So what I'll do is I'll figure out, okay, how long market may retrace. This is a retracement, clearly retracement. I'll quickly go high and top. Probably look, if it comes probably 38 zone, yeah, we never know, may come 0.05 zone, which is 50 zone. I will look for the buying position, right? I will go to the smaller time frame and see what is happening here. Yeah, I think this is a good push down, a kind of double top. You can say it's a double top. It's clearly double top. Market is going down.
Yeah.
Market is going down. There is no doubt about it. But what I will anticipate is market couldn't break 3 in a 1 hour. Okay, this one, look, this looks, it may sell for a little longer. Why I'm telling that to you is, we are in a 1 hour chart because we are in a highest level of the market, right? A market is there is no any, yes, please.
You spoke about there and just before where it is now as being traps that the banks have set, just that comes
Yes. This
so,
one.
yeah, and the next one as well, also being a trap for the buyers.
Yeah.
Or for the sellers. So do we look at that and say, can we give that much credibility as a support zone? So seeing as it was set as
this is a support. Yes, Jen. Then that's a
how
very
much credibility does it have as a support zone is what I'm saying. Because that's where it's sort of, and it was really set up as a trap to get the the seller's money. Is it a genuine support zone, or is it just
this is a genuine support zone, but in JPY, because it's in a 1 hour chart, how many times? You can say 4 hours holding there, another 4 hours holding there, another like 1, 2, 3 couldn't bypass. And this one was a very clear signal for us that, okay, market is not bypassing this, because this was a hunting. If someone was buying, it was a hunting, like SL hunting strategy. SL hunting strategy. And here definitely people, even though they already want to buy, from here completely buying, there is no even pullback here. Every time whenever you see this long weak candle, that's the strategy that they're using. Okay, I know this market is buying for long. There are already buyers sitting down there, especially for retail trader. Let's hunt that, so if I was buying, look, I would buy from here then, and I would put my stop loss right here, and look what market did. Be careful whenever we are trading JPY currency. It will happen. Now what I'm looking for, look, this is just a kind of analysis I'm trying to share with you, that even though you are trading whatever currency, whatever you're trading, look what may happen in the future, and what happened in the past will help you to identify what may happen in the future. So we have been buying for so long, even though there are some signal creating that we may sell. No, it couldn't, I mean, this was a not bad sell for 74 pips, but look how quickly market went up and created a long weak candle.
Yes.
Same here. And my thought process to take this trade AUDJPY today will be, I'll go probably, no, just getting ready for the day, right? We are not trading today, I mean, not now, not yet. But I will say, if market comes here, probably next buying zone could be, if, I would say if. Why? Because number one is, this was our resistance, we can say it couldn't bypass, but it broke the zone. If it comes, this market come down here, we will look for the, like, we'll look for the signal to buy, right? What could be the signal? Could be, I would say, one, watch out, what's here, you will see engulf candle. Okay, engulf, like buying engulf candle, which is be a bull engulf candle you want to see, number one, probably in a 15 minutes chart. This is just, you are watching only, just watch, and if confirmed, then only you enter. But sometime market may not come here then, because in 1 hour chart you see that this zone has already become a kind of support here.
Yeah.
Okay, this zone has already become a support. This is always, remember this structure, I mean, not the exact support, I would say this was a support here because couldn't break, but this is a kind of structure.
Yeah.
The market went up and probably here, and now we'll go here. This is just, this is how market moves. Yes, then
Also, a couple things there, because it's buying so strongly. You might look at that new support and say, well, it's not going to go all the way down to that the one you've just marked is the bull candle.
No, yeah, definitely. You will
Go
look
all the way
around.
down.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, so it might not go all the way down there. It might only go to that previous, that one you're just talking about.
Yeah, this one, exactly. Frame, you got it right. It may not go there. That's why probably put the alert here. And if market is giving you a signal, probably there is another big engulf candle is coming, something like this. So something like this. Okay, we are looking to buy from here. Probably I would even say that, okay, probably the next buying zone could be, this is like, you get ready before market start to move, then you'll not miss out the opportunity. Next target will be our new higher high, because we are expecting market to go higher. We want to see if market breaks through this zone, probably because market is completely heavily uptrend. If market wants to go downward, what may happen is it has to break this current structure, which will be here, and will retest here and go down and come down. And this is how the market works. Like, you already know that this, when this zone is broken, means, yeah, okay, we are now trending downward. But when this, according to the 1 hour chart, look, it may happen as well. What I'm trying to sorry, I'll just move this one in. What I'm drawing right now here, it may exactly happen, because we are in a very strong uptrend. But when market is really heavily uptrend, it should make some correction. But in this case, it's making a tiny bit of correction and going back to its zone, new higher high and new higher high. But if you want to look for the buying opportunity in this currency, which is AUDJPY, what I would suggest you, like, go in a 4 hour chart, see the key level. Even this key level could be, look, one, according to my opinion, this is what happens to me most of the time, market may come and kind of show some sign to buy. You could look for the buying opportunity. If it does, if it doesn't, probably our zone is probably here. This zone could be, it will come down and start to make a kind of a lot of rejection like this is, it will not bypass this zone, like this, something like this in here, and you can look for the buying opportunity from here. But in other case, oh no, I will continue to sell, it may sell like this. That is also like undoubtedly it may happen. Like it may, whatever market will do, it is market's opinion, opportunity. We have no control on that. But only thing we can control here is look the market in such a way that okay, I would like to buy. If I want to buy this, look, even currently we are not seeing any buying signal, you know that, right? This we haven't been able to create anything here. There is no engulf candle, but from here it was buying for 444, I think, 16 hours bodied, and another 16 hours it's showing a kind of, like bearish momentum, but it's not confirmed. Market is still bullish because of the trend, and because we will trade according to the trend, not according to what we should think. Like it's a higher high, it's the top of the mountain, we should sell. If you have sold, when you see the first time, suppose it's really buying and it started to create a wick, if you had sold, you sold for 30 cents, sorry, 30 pips, at least for 30 pips, I think. But if you want to make money, look, selling is not going to make you money in this kind of trending market, which is upper trend. Look for the opportunity to buy. Yeah. Look here, my opinion, like this is only my opinion, it should not happen, but yeah, this could be the another sign that market is not moving that heavily here in 15-minute chart. Like we may buy from here again, straight from here, or maybe from here. Yeah. And just look for the market, keep looking for the market, what's the market, what's the price, and that's it. We'll go to the another chart, probably we'll see what will happen tomorrow, probably tomorrow. Okay, yeah, let's see if I can take the class tomorrow or no. I'm going to the Euro GBP. No, there's a lot of gap. Oh my goodness, the gap.
Yeah, that's really interesting. Those gaps. I mean,
Oh my God, yeah.
That.
Wow. This gap because of the weekend. Then weekend are crazy. That's why try not to hold the trade. Oh my God, this is also in only the one broker Onda. There was no gap. Now Onda also started to create this gap. Means crazy. It's crazy. Look at this. My God.
Very often, no. But yeah, it's got to retrace that gap. So.
Oh my God, this gap. And this gap probably is because
that was pound dollar, wasn't it?
Yeah. Okay. This was my analysis. They already sold off. Sorry. This was okay. Good. From here we started to buy 15. Okay. It's Australian. Okay. Let's go back to Australian and New Zealand then. This was last week. We are in a little bit of, let's see in the daily chart what happens, what is happening. Okay. In Australian and New Zealand dollar, we are in a daily chart. Okay, so this was a very good zone that we already missed. Probably I got some buying here. That was last week. Yeah, 17th last week. Yes, last week or 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Kind of, it's in a channel. It's driving in a channel. So whenever it's driving in a channel, it's so simple and easy to identify and enter. Today we started to sell off. From, because this was a sell zone then, when there is a red this was a sell zone. Why? Because of this engulf candle market. Whenever we have that zone, this was a buy zone. See, this was a buy zone, and this was a sell zone. This is selling. Do you think it will sell today all day? We have no idea. But I believe market may sell up to this level today. Just like, yeah.
Well, it's working in that zone. So
yes.
Trace those lines further up. It should just keep going up in that zone.
Yes.
At some point, it'll break one way or the other.
It has to break. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So whenever market is in a channel, it's a channel. You know that this is channel. It should break either way. Yes, very true. You got, you already know how to read the chart then. So just be strong and trust your analysis. Remember that if you don't, the people who win either in the life or in the market are those people who trust themselves. Like if you don't trust yourself, you may not be able to probably win even in a market. Seriously, that's why write down what are the pros and cons of taking this trade if you think it's going to buy, or if you think you're going to sell. But yeah, market is uptrend, clearly uptrend. You know that, like it's a higher high. It's creating like, this is higher high, higher low, another higher high, higher low, another higher high, higher low. higher high, higher low. It's equal lows. This is equal lows. Trying, yeah. Another higher high broke the structure. Another higher low. Another higher high. This is still the high, higher than this one. But from here we have to check what market will do, because either if market wants to buy from here, it has to break this zone, which is, I would say, this zone has to be broken, or this zone has to be, it has to say this one, probably from here it has to make a new,
Mm.
yeah, new
And
candle.
if it is buying, it won't go all the way down to that trend line either.
Yeah, that's correct. That's something like this. As it has to, even in a week, even week, it has to, it make something, it has to make something like this, and then come back and retest and you buy.
Mm.
Yeah. For now, look, I will look still for the buy opportunity. I'm not going to think about sell, because market is still in a heavy uptrend market.
Yes.
But yeah, then.
Yeah, before we go on, I want to get back to one thing that I thought about when it's finally, in fact, it just became clear in my mind. You were telling me about it, and then I read about it, and what you said, and then reading it as well, went,
Mm,
click, that the banks do that, and they called it stop loss hunting. That's when I went, that's when it made sense.
mm,
They actually do that.
yes.
Even though you were telling me, it just something just went click in here. And what I'm wondering is it a reasonable tactic when you make your trade to just leave your stop loss out if you anticipate that stop loss hunt, whether it's buy or sell? Is it a reasonable tactic to leave your stop loss out until it does that and then put it in?
Oh, look, I'm recording this, by the way. I'm going to post it. Honestly, yes, I would say in gold, it is the tactics that I have used many times, and it worked perfectly, because if I put the stop loss, it will hunt, it will definitely hunt. So I will check the market, and I'm pretty sure that my analysis is right, and it is going to go probably buy or sell. And if I'm taking that decision right at the zone, which is our buy zone or sell zone, probably in the top of the mountain, you can say, from the top of the, you'll sell, from here you'll buy, something like that. Then sometime if you in, and like probably by mistake you enter early, say early, market may come to hunt the stop loss, and then
Mm.
market will take a turn, which is same direction that you took a buy, right? See, example here, market, suppose you already thought market is going to buy from here, you bought it but market went downward. So if you had a stop loss right here, it will be hunted, isn't it? So eventually
Yes.
market went, yeah. So look, try that tactics in your demo account, how it works, let me know. Use but only if if you trust your analysis. Remember that when you don't put a stop loss, when market is liquidity, which is like there is a heavy liquid in the market, it may fall so fast that the whole account will be gone if you don't
You
put the stop
can't
loss.
walk away from it though. If you haven't set your stop loss, you've got to sit and watch. You know what your stop loss is mentally. And if it
Yes.
flies down, I mean, if it's a sudden, and we've seen that where it just goes boom like that, and you're wiped out.
Yes.
One trade, So obviously you've got to watch it. You
Yes,
tell me,
100%.
yeah, yeah.
100%. I will quickly give you my experience then about that. Because yeah, I do trade for my MT4, and I have some accounts which is a broker account. Oh, look at that! I said head and soldier, head and soldier. Yes, it. Oh my God! It started to create that. See, it started to create that head and soldier. Market went up to 28, because 28 zone is the selling zone. Then again, it bypassed, but it is a selling zone. And now look, what I anticipated, we don't know yet, because we are in a 15-minute chart. um, should sell for a little while and then continue to buy, but according to fundamental, look, gold is kind of crazy. It has a different move in a London session, it has a different move in a New York session, and it has a different move in a Asian session, which is right now. We are in a Sydney session. Asian session, I think it's already open. I think already open. Yeah.
But I think it also has two levels. I mean, gold is sort of like it's the standard. So everyone goes back to gold, then they look somewhere else, then they go back to gold kind of thing. Now,
Yeah.
on top of that, you've got Gaza Strip and you've got Ukraine still going. And
Yes.
prices are the fuel prices are everywhere. So people are going back to the safety of gold
Mm.
at two levels. So it's very, very powerful and very volatile.
Very, 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 very. But I am anticipating this market to sell for now because of our current, structure level, which is our pattern. But look, will it happen? 100% no. But what will take is probably if it sells, come back to the same level, probably it will come to 22 and again buy it. It may also happen. Yeah. So that's why like go safe. I think what I was going to share with you is like, okay, this is my account, right? This is my account. There's no position right now. I will probably place some orders and teach you like how the trading views, trading Black Bull through trading view is really helpful. But I did a mistake, I would say. But you know what? I had my big hat. I was happy to lose all the account. I didn't know. I just did what I did was I started to create. Oh, what is that? Hang on. Oh, probably this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. Okay. So yeah, this was okay right here then. Okay, right here. I bought from here. Can you see? Oh my God, that was very scary. I knew it is going to buy from here. But there was already a zone created here, created. I think I actually bought it, but I didn't check. I'll quickly show you. This is what I'm learning. That's what look. This was one because I have only 1,000 like $1,111 account. It was in one, which means I'm risking kind of everything. Everything. One lot means it's big in a small amount. It's a
One
big
lot
risk.
is $1,000.
Yeah, but I didn't know. Somehow it was already set like that, and instead of buying, I sold it. Whoo!
Oops.
Instead of buying, and oh my God, yes, but you know what? I was watching the market. It went down, down, but eventually, I think it was instead of selling, I bought it. Something happened, but my analysis was right. But only the question was the lot was too big that even there was a 2-3 pips moving up and down, my money would fluctuate like I'm in 300 minus. It's a real money. Then it's a real money, right? And the $300 minus, $400 minus. Okay, I'm going to blow this account. You know what? I hold tight, and I know this market is going to go higher. And I didn't put any stop loss. This is the real history that happened last week. And I was kind of holding. Okay, I know market was going to buy. You know what? Later, market bought it. I just closed in little profit, but eventually look, market went. I could have made $3,000 in the same like analysis if I had left the trade run. See, oh my God, I said like, okay, but I made some money in other accounts, which is my like MT4. I made it, but here I was scared. Why I was scared? Because I want to show people that they're from small account. I want to, but remember, if you want to grow account, I think those kind of risks is necessary to take. But if you are wrong, market will take everything. But if you're right, you will get rewarded. This is just an example that I am giving you that what happened last week. Yeah, I didn't check the lot size. It was already one lot, and I bought it. I think I can't check which one was that, but I bought it. I bought it in 22. The market went down before going up. I think I bought it 22 right here, but market went down. And oh my God, I was like very scared because when this 100% right here, it was right here, because when I saw this big push up and went down, I don't know why these people are calling me. And it went all the way passing through by this candle. I think, yeah, I was in a 5-minute chart. That was really scary. But not too bad. I was able to control my emotions, and eventually I was checking, okay, look at it's going to buy, and I bought it. I left it. I think I closed in a couple of, not much, but just in a break even or something like a 27 pips. I think a little bit of profit. That's it. I closed it. And you know what? I realized later then that my analysis is right. Yeah, if I had left that trade all the way through from here, I think another trade was taken. That was in a very small lot size later, but that was by mistake I did. But just an example. Yeah, I'm going to trade not now. Probably I'll trade afterwards. But for this, yeah, my analysis is probably market is going to go, because I already can see the sell zone is already here. Buy failed, sell zone is already here. Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, I'm going to check. Okay. Okay. So I'm quickly showing you, like, it is good to mark like why you want to sell, because what did you see in the market, what makes you so comfortable you want to sell it,
Mm.
but if you think it's going to buy, why do you want to buy? Probably this is a buy zone here. You can see this is a very clear buy zone here. Yeah, this is a very clear buy zone. But will it buy? Market may come down here and again maybe buy, may buy. Yeah. But today opening was quite an interesting opening. Boom down, boom up and down, and then now market is dumping. Market is dumping. Yeah.
Mm.
Let's see. Not yet doing anything. But now, any question like for you, or like any kind of question do you have? Like, okay, what is your interest signal? What do you need to see before market moves in your direction, or why do
I
you
picked
know?
up something interesting the other day that I'd forgotten, which was you you use the EMA 20, and I'm just trying to remember. I think
20 and 200. Yeah, I don't use any more EMA. Yeah,
it's
20 and
yeah, if
200.
the
Yeah,
price is above the EMA 20,
yeah.
then you buy or sell, and the other way around. I just got to go back and read that note again. And it was something where it said, if you if you want to buy or sell, you take a look and see if the price is above the EMA 20, that's a signal to, and I don't know whether I can't remember whether it's a signal to buy or sell. And if it's below the EMA 20, then it's the signal the other way. I can't
Yeah,
remember.
look, yeah. So every time when your EMA is underneath the market is buying. That's very clear signal. Then, yeah, very clear. So EMA is something that will tell you. But as I said, do not only
No,
take
no,
a
no,
trade based on
it's
the
just
EMA.
another little hint. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Always look what is happening in the higher time frame. Higher time frame is, you can see clearly. We are, yeah, it's still, this is actually, I couldn't check this one. Then change. I supposed to change to 200, and they are, yeah. Sometimes they don't let me check. The setting. That's okay. One is the close to the market is 9 EMA, and then the above the blue one is the 20 EMA. 20 EMA is creating it's kind of like support and resistance. Little, so anywhere the market is going, it will move according to the market move. Yeah, market move created some support up, and now where we are, if you see the market, I don't know if you can see my screen nice and clear. Yeah, another kind of let it run for 1 hour. We have no idea what market will do, but this crossover was okay. The 20 is above, means market is buying, and it actually bought it. Now look, there is a crossover happening. If you see, if you want to quickly see, I will remove this one. Can I remove this one? Oh no, I can't. Hang on. Okay. I wanted to this one. Where is it?
There
Oh,
it is. Yeah, there's your EMA
oh
there.
no, I didn't. Oh, I don't know how this my. Can you see? I didn't
Well,
place this order, but I placed by accident. This is what happening. My God, I didn't do that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm teaching, and I look, unfortunately, this is what is happening, with
I thought that was just an alert. Was that
no, no,
actually?
no, no, no. Not, it's not the alert. It's like my already, you see, I'm already in a market and actually in a profit. 0.01. Thank God it's in 0.01. Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
well,
This is,
you're up a pip. You're up 2 pips. Hey, what can you do?
yeah, I mean, just a couple of pips. But market will probably buy. We don't know yet what is happening here. Um, so what I'll do is I'll probably put in a break even, that's okay. Yeah, modified. That's okay. Yeah, we are not either. We are in zero float, I would say. Even it touches. Oh no, it's not. It's not. Okay, that's okay. I will leave it.
You can just drag your stop loss.
Yeah,
If,
we
if,
can do whatever. That's easy part here. Yeah, we can
oh,
just drag the stop loss, and we don't have to manually do anything. Even you see that I accidentally placed this button, and it placed
oh,
yeah, accidentally. Yeah, this is buy and sell. You can buy and sell literally from here.
yes.
But yeah, oh my goodness, this is what happened in one lot size last time. and I'm still learning how to use this trading view trade. That's why no one is perfect in anything then, so we do, do learn by doing mistakes. So I'm happy to do mistake. That was my mistake. I did again another mistake. Based on this EMA, it may buy based on this EMA, but before it buys, boom, a little bit down and then go up. 15-minute chart created a little bit small resistance. There is still a support. Market is not moving up from here. So yeah, that's we closed. Yeah, it's closed now automatically. Is it closed? I think so. Yeah, it's closed.
It's a cancel. Yeah, I think
yeah, it's already closed because I set yeah, I think 45 pips, 40 cents, something like that. Yeah, that's okay because we are not ready to trade yet.
Oh, so that just hit the stop loss, did it?
Yeah, it did. It does the stop loss. Yes. Yeah, but if I had sold from here, I'm happy to stay a little bit. Yeah, but now I don't want to sell anything. I don't know what to do. But according to our analysis, it should sell off. Literally, it should sell off. That's why what I found myself with, look, do not mix your analysis too much. If you are only trading based on your EMA, what you do, you really follow that and know where are the key levels, which is the very important part. Even in using this indicator, key level, there is another indicator which is my indicator, which is, I like this so much, I still keep it, that buy and sell by Prakash. What happens here is there is one, can you see this green one?
Yes.
I think no, that not this one. The green one is a 9 EMA. The green line is 9 EMA. This is, I can delete it. It's a 9 EMA and this is a VWAP. What this VWAP does is, if we are above the, like VWAP is underneath and market is above, even in any time frame, market should sell probably from same line. Market should sell from the same line, like from here. Sorry, buy. Okay, but do not just trade based on this indicator. That's why I would say I do not rely on. Yeah.
No, it's just more information.
Yeah, more. Yes, that's very true. More information too. That's whether you should stay in the chart or you should, take exit from the market. Yeah. For now, look, it created kind of head and shoulder. But if market is holding here for longer, it will not sell. It will buy. But if market is melting down quite fast, then market probably can buy from here again. I mean, this is what the psychology is, everything behind every move. Yeah, every move. So here, this is a selling zone created. Very good, not too bad. I could say 1, even here 2, couple of 3 here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Those are the key level. You can say what probably you already know by now. What are the key levels? If you go, the key levels are very powerful when you draw them in 4-hour daily and weekly. And most of the activities happen from the key levels. The reason why is the banks and then banks and all others institute, they stop, their station is that their station, that's their station, means they will always take a right from the station.
Yes, I'm just taking a note.
Yeah,
just what you said there. Most activity happens.
Yeah, most of the activities, buying or selling activities, happen from the key level. And what are those key levels? Very valid for our daily and weekly, but still 1 hour is still valid for a scalper. 15 minutes is still valid for scalpers. Yeah.
No, I just wanted to, every now and then you just get a little phrase that works.
Oh, thank you. All right.
Yeah. Most activity happens from the key levels. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's why
it turns around. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'll draw.
It continues or turns. Yes.
Absolutely. All right. Now look, if I am in a 4-hour chart, if you are thinking, I don't know, to buy or sell, I want you to have a look this chart very clearly. It's in gold. According to this 4-hour structure, look, as we know that this is our very strong support level. Market has not been able to break, but it may break by today. We never know. Why?
Well, there's a
Because
strong downward trend, but the support level is actually rising a little bit. If you draw your line, that support level is rising.
yeah, that's
It's
why
going to go into a triangle, you
that's
know,
why we are buying, still
close
buying.
up and
This
move
is,
from there.
yeah, I will just take this one as a fake out. Yeah, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, this is a very strong support level. Even though
Yes.
it's rising, um, you could use multiple analysis. Look, this one is one confirmation that market is not able to probably look. This was the highest high, 2450 or whatever you say, 2450, I believe. Yeah, 2450. From there, we came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, and we are again, we went up, uh, but we are not there in the middle.
Mm.
If you see, look, psychology behind all the movies, gold will buy no matter what, seriously. But this is temporary move. It's still creating that kind of money for people,
Yeah.
especially for banks, even the trader like I did. I think only in gold I made $7,000 last week, which
Yeah.
was not too bad, like it's good. But whenever you are in a higher time frame and whenever market is maybe something like this, okay, we may sell again. In 4 hour chart it has created, this is only, that's what I say, key level. Why this key level is here then? Can you see this is a key level? What
Yeah.
it means is here, it is level means when you zoom them from this level, I'm not counting this week, it's fake out, but at least from this around, what is the pips? So see, from here to here is still
Yeah.
40. I mean, around this zone, market will probably may come here again, sell, may come here again, sell, maybe come even upper and still sell, creating this like week of strategy, which is week off here. Market boom and sold off, went up, couldn't break that, sold up. It actually it bought quite a nicely this time.
Mm. Mm.
um so for now, I don't know how the market will react, because we are creating kind of, this is a key zone. If it breaks through, we should buy. If it doesn't break through, we are continuously selling for probably again to 2308, based on the market. Only technical analysis, but who knows the fundamental? Fundamental will do whatever it wants. Immediately market will buy big candle here.
Yeah.
Especially happens in the Monday. Remember, every Monday, whenever market is creating a crazy move, it's especially in the Monday in Asian session. That's why, look, Asian session is so good session to trade, especially gold. There will be so crazy move that if you are in a right move and taking that right, oh my God, like money is huge there. Money is
Mm.
huge there. My anticipation today when I saw the chart was, look, this is a sell zone, obviously a sell zone. Market went up to create another one, because we're not talking about this side now, we're only talking about this zone then, because I want to see what will happen in this zone now, this only this area, what will happen in this zone, right? Okay, so have a look. I want you to like really take a close look. Which side of the candle do you think is more powerful here? Just looking at the candle, then only looking at the candle.
Which candle? All of them, or one in particular? There's some powerful. If you go back there, right, you've got that little doji there with a very strong sell, but
Yeah.
otherwise, you've got buy, nothing much. That's even. That's even. Then there's a pushing up buy, pushing up buy, pushing up buy. So it wants to buy there, but there's a big sell wick. That one, yes. But we've also got that downward, that sloping wedge,
Mm.
which tells us that the price is going to go down. Your resistance is going to fall. The support is pretty stable, so it'll fall down to a bit above that resistance, and then it should buy.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
is
No, you got
what I
it
would
right.
say.
Yeah. Yeah, it may buy again from here because it has, if he wants to buy, sell longer, then it has to break this zone, that's only like, that's why if you want to probably see for buying opportunity, have a look, probably this zone or even this zone may even come down, making a big wick, and again buy it, like buy from low, sell from high. Look, if you had sold from here, how many pips? Not too bad then. It's like 180 pips, right? It was right. When was it? I think it's Friday night. It was on Friday night. Yeah. From 8 p.m. till probably night, somehow like 6 bar. You can see the volume is here. This is crazy. Like whenever you're taking a decision that's fast, and reason being that is you already know that this was reason why people were anticipating market to sell from here, sell from here, because this is a sell zone. But market 35, I think it was a resistance, it was a resistance zone, 35, 34 around. This is the really nice sell zone. And but market bypassed to went to 40, I think it's 30, 39. And this is a stop loss hunting strategy again. Stop loss hunting strategy. Okay, you went to touch the stop loss, and then now look, according to the technical analysis, as we have made the head, if we have made the soldier here, there is two soldier. I mean, there is a double head and soldier pattern here. Double head and soldier. One head and two soldier, two soldier. Yeah, definitely want to sell it. Probably we don't know how long. May come down here or here, and then we'll buy. It may happen probably tomorrow or maybe just today. Friday is today is Monday, beginning of the week, beginning of the month, yeah. But this was a very good
new financial year too. So that I don't know what that does, but maybe there's a lot of optimism around the new financial year, or I don't.
Oh yes. New financial year is here. Oh my God, now tax time and everything. True.
Yeah.
Very true. Okay. But yes, this was my zone to sell in the beginning, because I anticipated that it's happening exactly what I anticipated. And this was zone like market exactly touched, because even that's why you pre-plan your market will go this zone and market will sell this or buy from here. Look, when you have that pre-plan strategy in front of you, like in a written form like this, then it will be easy. Make a chart, like draw this kind of thing. Look, this is okay, hang on. Yeah, even though I had left that trade, which is accidentally happened, it's still making profit, right? I think I could have made like $3 in this one. I think I sold from here 26 something, and here, I mean, even though accident happens, sometimes accident also makes money for you. But for now, market in a small time frame, you can see market wants to buy based on this VWAP. If you use it, VWAP, like every time VWAP and this EMA is crossover.
What do you call it? Sorry, VWAP? VWAP?
The red one is a VWAP. It's called VWAP. I don't know if I can show you. No, it doesn't click. Yeah, so it should definitely, that's what it is. And you touch the EMA and it wants to buy whenever it's in a support, because this has created a small support in 15-minute chart, a kind of key level, you would say. Here, a little bit of support here, small support zone here. Cross through, it will probably come till here and again buy. Yeah, but people are still looking to buy. Then the opportunity is like people want to buy. Gold is, look, you'll make more money by buying than selling in even not only gold, in any currency, even in AUDJPY. I'll quickly delete this one because I don't use this there's a big gap here as well. We are in a smaller time frame. Let's go in a higher time frame. What is happening? Yeah, we started to sell off today. The reason being that is, that it just we are just below this trend line. This trend line here, I think you can see this is a trend line.
Yep.
Selling 100%. If it break this trend line, it's supposed to buy, but we are still there's a two type of trend happening here. From down it's buying, but from here it's selling. Means
it's going to squeeze up and make a move one way or the other.
Yeah. So I mean, this was a very good position to buy. You can see the key level. Always look for that.
Yeah.
And for now, look, we have no idea.
Actually, where your cursor is now, with that other little bitty key level there, that tells us, well, it suggests that, if that's if that's setting a new support level, that it's really going to squeeze up fairly quickly. So it'll make that move before long because it's setting new support levels that are higher
Yeah,
and,
yeah,
and
yeah.
the resistance levels coming down.
Very true. Very true. Yeah, you got what I mean. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. 1, 2, and 3. And
Yeah.
look, this is, we have no idea what will happen, but I'm looking based on this current market structure and everything. Yeah. Look, kind of market may buy again from here. It may come down or even from here, itself from here. See, a small time frame. Yeah. Even from here, market may buy from here continuously. We have no idea. So that's why, so every time when you draw something, like make sure that next week you change or delete them so we know
Yes.
the new level is coming. New level is coming. So this is actually from last week. If I delete it, I think it will be easier when you start to analyze this chart at 4 hour. Look, market is buying without a doubt from here, but market is actually range. It's actually ranging. You can see kind of ranging means it's higher high and higher low. It's in equal highs and equal lows. It's in a equal highs and equal lows. From here you can see this will fake out.
Yeah. But it's squeezing up the thing now. I mean, it's ranging, but tighter and tighter.
Yeah, tighter. Yeah, 100%, 100%. Yeah, yeah. So in a 4 hour chart, you can see that is why there is two types of analysis when you do in a market. One is of a long term, one is a small term. So this is how we are doing a medium term, which is 4 hour is a medium, like intraday. So okay, what I'm looking today is, look, if this level will be broken downwards, we may continue to sell because of the pressure from the high, because this is our zone, which would say still a key level from the top. But we may break it easily. There's no doubt about it because of the pressure that we
Upward
are applying.
pressure is much stronger.
Yeah, we may continue to, because it broke this structure. Even though it broke the structure, it couldn't break.
Yeah.
Yeah, it broke the structure. It's saying that it should sell from here. Okay, I'll quickly show you something. This may really interest you so much. Suppose we are here, higher. Okay, higher high, higher low, new higher high, higher low, higher high, same zone. It's not much happening. Higher high, higher low. This is a higher high, and this is low. This is, you can see, this is a low. This is not high. Okay, this was a higher low, and this was a lower high, and this was a now lower low. Means that
Yes.
this came lower low, means it's supposed to sell from here. What I mean is, according to the market structure, this market should go there. Okay, because it already broke the structure. Okay, and then we are going to, so once we know how market is broken the structure, then you look for the signal to enter. So signal means like a confirmation, additional confirmation, I would say engulf candle mostly. And okay, how many times that zone has been respected. So this zone has been respected in a 4 hour chart. You can say 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I would say I'll take this one 1, 2, 3, 4. But the fifth time it broke the zone. Can you see that this is called structure broken, the breakup structure? I would say this one is yeah, it is a breakup structure then.
Yeah.
In the middle. BOS. Okay, BOS. It's breakup structure. So when you see this, you should be able to know, okay, from here market is selling, but market again broke the structure higher as well. See, it is broken. But like at this moment, look, market is purely ranging, but we still can take a trade. Take a trade from here, probably sell. We are in a really consolidation zone. Consolidation, nothing happening here. 16 hours, nothing happening here in the same hour, same zone. See, nothing happening here. So it may break, retest, and take a trade for buy. It may break the downward momentum and a retest and take a buy. Take a sell. See, it's simple. It's not that hard. But we make ourselves very complex. Yeah. But today, like, it's very confusing. It's nothing happening much. So we have to wait which side market will make a big move, then only we'll decide.
The only thing you can do really to prepare yourself is to look at your stop loss for a buy and your stop loss for a sell. and watch it, because it's, I mean, at the moment it's ranging tighter and tighter.
Yeah,
And so you can only wait for it to move.
true, true. We can't take a trade this time because market hasn't made a
Yeah.
kind of confirmed decision, like
Yes.
okay, purely I'm going to buy or sell. No, I mean, look, I'm not doing anything yet. Nothing is happening. Like we are ranging here, like probably how many pips around up and down, up and down. Oh my God, 10, 15 pips up and down, up and down. Oh my, that's not the move. We want to catch the move like this, boom, we want to catch the move
Yes.
like this, boom. So wait for the market to move a certain direction, probably have a signal and take a trade. Even in a 15-minute chart, you can take like, that's not bad. 50 pips in a few hours, which is great, great move. Yeah. And in my opinion, look, if it has to break this zone to sell off, and we will look for the opportunity to sell after the retrace. And but if it will buy, it has to break this zone. I mean, pretty simple. Even in a small time frame, you will be keeping your mind that okay, if wants to buy, it has to break this zone, probably make a retrace and see the opportunity to buy. If he wants to sell, it has to break this zone and retrace and sell from here. Still will
Yep.
come, market will come up even it's selling, then you buy from up, still that's called the supply zone. So we are looking at the supply zone heavily. This is a supply zone for a small time frame, and this is a demand zone, say if for the buy. So if it wants to buy, it has to go break and up, and if it wants to sell, okay, so from here it has to come break this our your demand zone and then retest and we sell from there. Yeah, this is how we'll take a trade. But I think we have given a lot of instruction for that. uh, oh wow, this is my analysis. Wow, it did what I said. This was my analysis then last week. No, not last week. It was yesterday. I had some time and I was analyzing the chart, and it should buy from here. I know, but my analysis was probably we definitely missed the entry. I didn't take a trade, but this is just analysis. This zone, this was the zone. My God, I just missed this. And how many pips? We really moved 436 already, almost. We are because we are here. It's already created higher high and the key zone, and this zone was sell zone. Then market, did you see market came to the sell zone and started to buy?
Yes.
But we definitely missed a little bit because our entry supposed to be here, but my entry was right here.
Right.
uh, but at least the analysis is what is we started from here. See, we started today, market open from here, which is it's today's market. Yeah, was it today? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, we had a 15-minute chart. Yeah, but anyways, yeah, so this is, that's why, look, do some analysis in a chart. Bitcoin, I don't trade, but I do check the market. Bitcoin, like I don't trade Bitcoin, but I'm still, oh, this was a sell zone, a buy zone. We sold off from here. Why I'm doing this is just to you know test my skill more, to improve it every day, because
Yes.
no one is perfect here. So
Mm.
yeah, so I don't know, like this one, I think it should.
Well, I do a bit of that, and actually I was very pleased. Middle of last week, I
Wow.
did actually trade, but I looked at, because I had to go somewhere.
Yeah.
I looked at Oz yen, and I said it should go down to here, and I think it was 120. No, it wasn't 126. Was it 106, 107?
There.
Either way, I said it should come down to here, and then it will buy to there, and it did. And I said, oh, that worked. Nice one.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
very pleased. But I draw the lines and I look a lot.
That's good. That's good. See, my analysis from yesterday, I think it was on Saturday, because Saturday's market doesn't move. You know that. My analysis was market will come here because if it breaks, even it comes here. Can you see exactly it started to sell off?
Hmm.
See, I mean, now I will check where it will go, because my analysis is supposed to sell again here, and we are going to find another buy position. Probably market may come even lower, and
Mhm.
we'll find the buying position from probably here.
Mm.
This is like it goes on and on. It goes on and on. Like it never stops. Market doesn't stop now.
Pound
So
dollar just ranges. At the moment, it's ranging sort of a little bit down, I think, pound dollar. Uh,
yeah,
pound US, yeah, pound dollar.
Pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar, yeah, yeah.
Whereas with the Oz dollar, for a long
Oh my
time,
God.
generally, it's been down. It's been going up lately. The US currency have been very, very strong. Japan is quite weak at the moment, so everything Japanese is, US Japan, Oz Japan is climbing at the moment. But yeah, usually pound dollar has been ranging
Can
for a
you
long
see
time.
that? Oh my God. This was my analysis on Saturday. I did analyze this Saturday. Market actually made a gap. Means remember, even during the weekend, market doesn't sleep. There is
Hmm,
slippage there. This is a slippage.
yeah,
See, this is a slippage. It's called market actually moved. This was my analysis. Yeah, this was Saturday. When Saturday only market was creating this low, and
yeah.
when it opened, market is already hitting the TP. Because even I
So
had
they've
my
started buying at a higher price than the close.
yeah.
Ah,
That's what it is. It's already broke now. It's supposed to probably wow. I'm in a 1 hour chart, but if I see in a bigger time frame, yeah, I think we broke this zone. So we are not probably for now. We still look for the buy opportunity probably because from here we're buying and buying and buying. Yeah, at higher high. Even you can see the week is still higher than this one
hmm,
probably. Let's see. Market. This is our very strong key level in our smaller time frame, not smaller in a 4 hour time frame, but I'm sharing with you, even though I don't trade on Saturday and Sunday, having a look at market, something like this, and when you see, oh my God, my strategy working, and it boosts your confidence so much.
yes.
My God, it boosts your confidence so much. Okay, hell, I'm going to make million this year. I'm going to close million this year. Like this confidence come to you, and then I want to be very, very serious because if you want to trade funded account, which is you don't need to look. If you want to become a millionaire, trading $200 account is not going to make you millionaire.
Ah,
I will
no,
be very honest. So that's why there are so many, funded account providers, which is they're looking for good traders. I mean, if you can trade their money you will get 90% as a profit. You can keep it. But the first thing is you need to pass the challenge. The
hmm,
challenge is you need to make a 10% of profit in first time, a 10 to 8% in the total, whichever the challenge you will buy, because you have to buy that. I have a couple of challenge that, that's how like you can, even though you're on, say, you're trading 5K or 10K account, it is not making much money. But
no,
when you trade 200K account, oh my God, that will make huge amount of money if you're trading right, if you're
yeah,
trading right. So be serious. I'll show you, I'll teach you, probably I'll help you to pass the challenge as well. Because we'll trade together, we'll trade together to make sure that you pass the challenge. Once you pass the challenge, there is a phase one and phase two, and there is a third one is a verification, means they'll verify and everything will happen like you are truly you have the skill, and once you have the skill, no one can stop you to make money from the market. The thing is get your head right. I mean, we make a lot of emotional decision, when trading. Head, we have to make sure that we are making a decision not based on the head, but based on our rule.
yeah.
Yeah. My God, this
Um,
is
just quickly, because I know you're going to go soon.
yeah,
With the $200 account, I mean, this is just to practice trading. The
yeah.
500 is sitting off to one side for the moment. Um, how many units? $200 is what?
Just 0.01. Then that's what you have to start with.
Yeah, and
0.01
how
lot
much
size.
is it? Is that a percentage of or
Yeah, it's a percentage. Like if you want to make 10% every single month or week, I think weekly 10% is very possible.
yeah,
Means 10% of $200 is like $10. Yeah,
right, yes.
making $10. So
So
means in
what I'm asking, hang on. What I'm asking is 0.01 of $200. Is that like $2? So I'm
yeah,
just trying.
depending upon your stop loss and take profit. Like what kind of RR are you trading? Like risk to reward ratio, right?
I'm just trying to figure out what the actual amount of money I'll be trading is.
Yeah, so that will calculate your TP and stop loss.
No, you're not
Is that
understanding.
no? I know what you mean. Like suppose I'll type it here. Suppose you're trading $200 account. Okay, I'll type it probably here. It will make you easier. Okay.
0.01 is that a
Yeah,
$10? pages
0.0. Okay, sorry. Hang on. No, you're not trading something like that, like 0.01 lot size. That's actually your micro lot size, right?
Yeah.
So then in $200 account, if you have, suppose you are trading 0.01 lot size, okay, lot size, your SL is, say, SL is 30 pips, right? Say 20 pips, I would say. So you are trading, you're risking. Remember that you're risking. If this trade has 1:3 risk to reward ratio, so your stop loss is 20 pips, and your SL, like TP, is like, how much is that? TP is, suppose TP is 60 pips. Okay. In this kind of trade in $200, so 1 cent is equal to, so 1 pip is equal to how many cents in 0.01 lot size? Do you know about that?
I'm not. You're running ahead of me here. I just want to know what I'm actually trading. When I've got $200, and so that's my lot size is 0.01. But when I click 0.01, am I trading all of that $200?
No, that's what I'm teaching you. That's what I'm teaching, and that's what I just
All right.
understand. What you see, the screen, look
Yeah.
at the screen. What I'm trying to make sense is, we are not trading $200. No, that's what I mean. We are only trading,
$2.
you're leveraging, I would say, leveraging. So what is the leverage in your broker? I think it's like 1:500, means that you are able to trade equal to what, 200 into 500, means, what does that mean? 20,000. I would say you will be able to trade probably 20,000 equivalent lot size. You will be able to put it, but we are not going to do that. It will be over leverage. If you do one lot in 200, if you lose 20 pips, it is all gone. That's what I'm teaching you. You are trading only, you're risking. I mean, not trading. This is different in the forex and in stock and the option trading. It's simple. I will teach you that. Probably there's a different version. I used to do that long ago. 0.01 lot size for $200 account, your SL is 20 pips, TP is 30 pips, okay, sorry, 60 pips. Then you will be only trading, I would say, only trading. I'm talking about trading because you're risking 1 pip is equal to, I'm teaching you the basic. 1 pip is equal to how much? 10 cent. Okay, I would say 10 cent. So means you are 10 into 20 pips, it will be $2. Okay, you are only trading, risking $2. Sorry, $2 in that trade. But if you win that trade, you will be trading. Win. You will be getting how many? 20. Okay, $6. Yeah, $6. That is, if you win, you'll win $6 in that trade, because that 60 pips is like you hit the TP. If you lost, you will be losing $2. But your question is very, very good, that how much I'm trading, okay? Trading out of 200.
Yeah.
No, that's a very good question. I appreciate that question, because you need to know that. So because you only risking, say, 1:500 is your leverage from the leverage.
I don't know if I've got leverage. I just put it as 1.
No. There is, every broker has a leverage. That's why we are using broker. Why? Because we can trade more leverage. Like we are leveraging. Like, why we have to buy a house with a 10% of deposit? Because we are leveraging bank's money, right? Same thing here. We are leveraging whose money? Broker's money, to make more money, because our $200 itself cannot make $1 million. Remember that people who started from $200, if they have a skill, they have changed that 200 into $1 million as well. But risking, they will risk high percentage in one trade, but that will be completely a winning trade only. So in your case, I think you are only risking how many percentage of, say, 0.01 is, I would say, hang on.
It's 1. Is that 1%, right? Is that 1%?
Yes, you can say 1%. Yeah, I mean $2. I would say even 2%. Yeah. Okay, say 2%. Only 2% you are risking in each trade. Yeah, in each trade. That's what you're risking then. Yeah, I'm just figuring out, I think, what is the 0.01 lot size. I'm calculating. Let's see, calculator. Okay, here we go. $2.
Well, 2% would be $4.
Yeah, we actually trading very small risk. We're risking very less. The 0.02 lot. Yeah, 0.0. That's what I can see. 200. Say 1% of 200.
It's $2.
Yeah, $2. 1%. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Yeah, yeah. So I would say just 1% means this is how you're only risking 1% in that trade. Can you? Yeah. Is that make sense now then?
Yep.
Yeah. So if you have a like 40 pips, that will be 2%. Means every time whatever the amount you have it, your lot size and your stop loss will determine that how much risk you are taking in each trade. If you are taking like 0.05 lot size in 20 pips, you can calculate yourself how much you're risking. You can calculate yourself, right? Yeah, suppose 0.05. Okay, so if same trade you are taking 0.05 lot size and 20 pips, so that will be like 50 cents, means it will be 50 cents. Yeah, it will be 50 cents in each trade, right? And how much? 50 cents into 20, it will be $10, right? Yeah, it will be $10. Yeah, it will be $10.
Right.
Yeah, if you win this trade, it will be $10. Sorry, risking. But if you win that trade, it will be how many? Oh, I need to learn more maths. I was number one in maths. Now I'm forgetting.
Well,
Okay,
by
so
three,
one
yeah, you
50
can win
cents is
$30 because it's a factor of 1 to 3. So if you can lose
yeah,
10,
it's $30, right? Yeah. It's 30. You'll if you win $30, you'll win in 60 pips, of course. And if you lose, you'll lose like $10. Means the $10 of 200, how much is that? Like 10. Yeah, so we need to calculate how much you are risking. This is risk is completely 1%. Before was 1% risk in each trade. Then now say $10. $10. Oh, how do you calculate this? 10 divided by 200 into 100? What is happening to me? So you will be risking in this one. I mean, if you use your 0.05 lot size using the 20 pips, you will be probably before was 1% only. Probably now it will be 5%. It will be 5%. Two will be two. Yes, 5%. Yeah, yeah, something like that. Yeah, 5%. So hopefully it makes sense. So you're not trading using your whole $200 account. You are trading only the money, I mean, how much you're risking. But remember that you can use your lot size bigger. Eventually, if your account is growing slowly and slowly, then you can risk more. When you have confidence, when you know the strategy is working, and you are making more quality trades, then you take a trade with a higher bit of risk, and then your reward will be big as well. Remember, there is no risk, there is no reward. Like people are scared of making decision in the market because they have made a lot of mistake, a lot of wrong decision in the past, and that's why they are still scared. So that is kind of pitfall, I would say, and the backfall, and they are not confident enough what they are doing in the market. So I can tell that it comes with the practice and experience, and like you have the solid plan in front of you. In front of your computer there is something written that you're already following that plan. You're not following, oh, market should sell, I should buy, I should. No, I mean, you clearly know that this was a support zone, we should buy, it should buy. Actually a GP cat, I mean, I'm telling, oh my god, this was very clear buy zone for me. How many times respected? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, he's still buying it and make sell from again here. We are in a ranging market actually here. See, this was a sell zone and this was a buy zone. Pretty simple. Like market is simple if you make it simple, but complexity happen when you don't know what you are reading or what you need from the market. Like when you know, I want to make at least $10 today out of $200. Just once you make $10, then I mean, stop trading at all completely. If you want to trade, if you are like impulsive, you want to trade Momo, trade in a paper account. Like paper means, the trading demo account, I would say. If you want to still trade in a demo account, but no, in real account, only take a quality trade, 3 trades a day. That's if it's winning, good. If it's losing, it's okay. You are trading maybe after 4 hours, come back to chart after 4 hours, but trade only when you are in front of the chart. Only in front of the chart. Yeah. So look, I mean, this morning we started buying. Wow. I mean, this was, I forgot to chart in, but already 25, 26 pips, not too bad. If you probably even in 0.05 lot size, you made already a couple of dollars. I mean, yeah, whatever. Okay, then any question more, please?
No, that's all good. Thank you. Yep.
So that makes sense for you, right? Like whatever is explained.
Yes, no, it does. What I'll do sometime this week, because I'll do a few trades.
Yeah.
And we're going to do some trading together. So I'll give you a call and we'll figure out when we can do that.
Yeah, no worries, no worries. Yeah, okay. Yeah, no worries then. Yeah, take care. Oh, this one is hanging, now. We were selling for so long. I posted, remember I posted last time that broke the zone, consolidation, broke the zone, another consolidation. So what do we expect market to do? Market definitely not going to sell. It's still going to buy, but it's kind of another trap for people, yeah, so just if you want to buy this market again, just have a look what will happen right here in this zone. Yeah, this zone. That's what this is the watch zone. Watch zone. Keep an eye on this zone, what it will do. Yeah, watch zone. This is not buying zone, not selling zone. It's a watching zone. See, watch zone. Yeah. No buying zone, no selling zone, watching zone. Only people who make a lot of money from the market is then who can watch the market like like panther. Like, so I don't know, like whatever. They just watch it, just when they come, bing, like say they'll just hunt it. Same, just like a hunting mindset. Market is exactly the same. We will wait and wait and wait. Okay, I was waiting. See, already started to show the buying momentum here.
Yes.
Already, and you can see the in 15-minute chart. This is our, what is the name of the candle? It's clearly the buying sign. Buying sign. But before it buys, it let the market to come down again, retest, and then start to buy again. I already showed market will buy. Yeah. And let's see what will happen, because this is a buy zone. Market sometimes doesn't even come down. That's why you have to jump in so early, like try to jump in early. But if you are in a very, very smart time frame, but I would say 15 minutes is a good time frame to check whether market is buying or selling. But when it will buy like this, try to take this candle. Pardon?
Trading view here, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm in trading view. Yes. I'm in trading view. Yes, I mean, this is all trading view then. Okay, I'll show you on the screen quickly.
You've got Black Bull up in the top there. What's that?
Yeah, that's the Black Bull. What is that called? That's the Black Bull. Those all the sign that whatever the pairs you come, those are the brokers. Sign, broker sign. You have to trade through those broker sign only. Yeah. So this is another one. See, this is OctaFX. If you can see, I don't know. Oh, can you see my screen? This is what I used to trade this long time when I started my career as a trader. Then this was one of my account, and I didn't know there was. I pull out so much money. I kept it. I left this one. $200 was left there, and I'm starting from that as well. I'm not putting more here, of course, because I have other accounts as well. So this is a web trading. Suppose if you want to trade, this is a web trading. What you can do is, look, it's pretty simple: sell or buy. Buy or sell USD JPY. I mean, now I think you will be able to. I want you to learn these different techniques and tools. Where is the best place to buy and which broker is best for you? You just keep exploring, and once you figure out which one is best for you based on your what is that called? Based on your need and based on your style and trading Oh, my screen is frozen for now. Sorry. Yeah, this is frozen. I can't do nothing now. Oh, yeah, this is another. I wanted to share like how I trade using this web. It's octafx.com. Yeah, one of the it's moving. Oh, now it's coming. Okay. I just want to, before I go, I just wanted to show this is also another option for you if you want to still trade. This is also directly connected to the trading view. This is a trading view, but it's a wave. Yeah, these candles are broker's candle, by the way, but there will be some kind of difference in between the real candle in the trading view and the real candle in this broker candle, because sometimes there's some gap in between. Yeah, AUDJPY. You can choose your favorite currency, because I have some favorite currency, USD CAD in say 15 minutes chart. You can draw the lines and everything. Yes, please.
Yeah, so just quickly, if I want to use trading view, I've got the black bull.
Yeah.
And I click on trading view and I go to trade. Well, I then select black bull out of the trade or something.
Yeah. You have to trade the black bull. Yeah. Okay. That's a good question.
Right. Okay. I understand.
Yeah. Yes. Then that's now you got it. What I mean. Yes. What we have to do is probably go to the plus sign. But if you want to connect with the this, everything is. Can you see everything is black bull in mine?
Yes.
Yeah. So, but if you go in all here, it's still black bull, because my connection is through black bull right now. Yes. But if I go here, if I show you this one, this is also black bull, but other one. Okay, hang on. This is onda. Right? So right. I can't trade from here. See, I can't trade. It will say not tradable signal. See why? Because this is onda. But if I go to probably black bull, yes, I can trade from here. From here. Yeah. So yeah. That's how. Yes. Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
I hope so.
Oh, very nice. Okay. Yeah, you keep trading. We are actually GBP AUD. Wow, a very nice buying zone. We don't know because it's in a key level. Wow, this is how you know. Then yeah, this is a key level. Can you see?
Yes.
Visual. Like this is very simple. Yeah, should buy, but it breaks this zone. It should probably continue to sell. But we made kind of couldn't sell off from here. Yeah, and the reason being that, oh my God, this is already here. Can you see? It's like it's a big, it's a support. It's a very strong demand zone. It's a strong demand zone. So from what we do from demand zone, we definitely always want to buy from demand zone. I think if you want to look for buying opportunity, this could be another opportunity. Once it retraces, you can enter to buy again. You can enter to buy again here. Yeah. But it has to retest, retest and show another sign, because it could be the pullback for selling continuation. We have no idea. But he had bought it, came down. We don't know. Anyways, I'll see you next week. Then, because tomorrow I have. Okay. Keep learning. Let me know if you need any help in anything. Okay.
No worries. Thanks.
Bye.